Do you use live transcribe but don't always want to keep looking at the screen? There's a setting that can make your phone vibrate when speech resumes after a pause. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Live Transcribe. Next, tap Open Live Transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left. Tap Additional Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under the Event section, you will find Vibrate when speech resumes. Turn it on. With this setting, whenever you are using live transcribe and the speech stops for a moment, your phone will vibrate when it detects that speech has started again. This can be useful if you are not constantly looking at the transcription and want a little notification that someone has started speaking again. And that's how to enable Vibrate when speech resumes in live transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.